How to properly read the Japanese candles. When interpreting candlesticks charts, you need to understand the structure of the candles. And, most importantly, who, between buyers and sellers, is in control. Here are the 8 difference cases. First, when buyers are in total control, the candle opens in the lowest price of the day and closes at the highest price. There is no wick. Then, when the bullish body is on the top of the candle, but there is a long down wick, it means that sellers were active but they got rejected by the buyers. It's a positive clue. Third, when there are wick under and above the body, the buyers won but there is no clear direction. It's not so positive. Fourth case, when the bullish body is at the lower part of the candle, with a long upper wick, there is too much selling pressure to buy on this candle. Let's see bearish cases. Firstly, when there is no wick, with a long body, opening in the high and closing at the low, the sellers are in total control. It's positive for a short position. But, if the body is bearish and located at the top, with a long down wick, it means that sellers were active but got rejected by buyers. Third bearish case, a long bearish body but with wicks above and below. This means that there is no clear direction. And finally, when the bearish body is located in the low part, with a long upper wick, that means that buyers showed up, but the sellers are still in control. I hope that these 8 cases will help in your trading. Knowing who is in control helps when analyzing a candlestick's pattern. Finally, if you want to better understand trading, look in the description below. You'll find a few number of interesting tools. Thanks for watching.